right, so today a very interesting product. Thanks to CINOTON for sending me this. This is a micro LED exit light. You can see the housing color is white. There's some other colors. This does have a battery backup option. It's LED, 120 volt operation. So the around the box just has the company name and the name. Same company name and company name. The back is essentially the same thing that's on the front, just a different color. So this is what the one that we got will actually look like because it's white. And in case you were wondering, this is the model LED 0625. So no tape or anything. This is exactly how the box came to me. Oh, you get to choose. Very cool. Alrighty. This comes with a green and a red plate. So essentially, this pops out right here, and you're able to put this plate behind it to change the color. Very, very nice. Get this box out of the way. All right, well, so this is essentially it. These are the LED lights on the side to help you see. This would light up nice and bright. There is an AC on and a test button. And these parts come out. So if you look like so, I can just kind of pop the back off of this. There's actually stuff down in this. So this is your user manual and like your plate. And yeah, some screw nuts and everything you would need. Here, of course, is the wiring you would need to wire this. And it does have the battery backup option. Very cool. Not something that I'll definitely need at my house, but I like that you could peel this out, put in the other color and change it to green. And this tends to tell you which way is up, and this just kind of pops right back into place. There we go. That's what you could expect if you would pick up one of these micro LED exit lights. That's the full unboxing and everything that comes inside of it. I hope you enjoyed. Deuces.